Hello and welcome to another tutorial video from Themify. My name is James, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to import and customize a pro theme from Themify. Now this will require using the Themify Builder Pro plugin, and in order to use the Pro plugin you will need to have the basic Builder plugin installed or simply use any theme from Themify. For this tutorial I'll be using the basic theme from Themify, and as you can see I do have the Builder Pro plugin installed. Before we get started, I want to take a quick look at the front end of the website now before we import this custom theme. As you can see, it's pretty basic. If we go back to the back end and hover over Themify Basic, we can choose Pro Themes. What I want to do is click Add New Theme. We can name this whatever we want. If you'd like, you can add a thumbnail image. Once we click Next, we should see a selection of custom themes that we can import. I'm going to choose the fitness theme, and I'm going to make sure to check the Import Demo Content button. Then I'll choose Activate. Now this could take a couple minutes because it's going to be importing images and content and pages and posts to make your website look exactly like the demo. Now that that's finished installing, let's take a look at the front end. As you can see, it looks much different than it did before. We have the entire Ultra Fitness theme imported with all of the demo images and content. There are new pages and posts, all that kind of stuff. From here, we can begin to customize this theme to meet our own personal needs. For instance, if we wanted to edit this header, all we need to do is hover over the header and click on this purple button up here that says Edit Template. Now we can make changes to the template. Let's do something really simple, like make the background a different color. Click Done. As usual, we'll click Save, and we'll click the X. And you can see that our header now has a red background. And if we look at all the other pages, the header will have a red background on every page because we edited the header template, which is used everywhere. This, of course, applies to other parts of the theme, such as the footer. If we come down to the footer, you can see that if I hover over the footer, this purple Edit Template button shows up. I could click on this and I could edit the footer just like I did the header. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.